Fishing in this peaceful river today. Let's see what we catch. Catching the fish. Whoa, I think I got something big. Look at this beauty. Double catch the double tail moment. No way, two at once. Unbelievable, today is my lucky day. Ending, nature never fails to surprise me. How was today's catch? Let me know in the comments.